What is up, Watch fam? I am Christian, the curator of the Theo&H Watch Shop, and today I'm going to be unboxing our newest acquisition, the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Ultra Thin Tourbillon. I paid almost $100,000 for it, and it better be worth it. Boom, Watch fam. There are three things you need to know and understand in order to evaluate this watch. The history of the Royal Oak, the complexity of a tourbillon, and that a product is not just the sum of its parts. Right? It needs synergy. This is a highly complex piece, historically, mechanically, and finishing, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's a good thing. So let's figure out if this thing is worth it. First thing that jumps out to me is the thinness, even before the tourbillon. It's 8.85 millimeters, which is shockingly close to the Patek Philippe 3940, which we had in the Theo&H shop just a few weeks ago. And that's how Royal Oaks should be. Industrial and seemingly very bulky from a distance, but up close, actually deceivingly slim. While this 41mm case is 2 millimeters larger than Genta's original Royal Oak design, the proportions are still dead on. As with all Royal Oaks, the case finishing is superb. Tapered chamfers, meticulous brushing, a very comfortable bracelet, and an impressively thin clasp. When Gerald Genta designed the Royal Oak in 1972, it was revolutionary. Before the Royal Oak, luxury Swiss wristwatches were very small, thin, conservative, very dressy, precious metal pieces. So this very angular, oversized steel sports watch was bizarre, especially with a retail price higher than a Jaguar at the time. Its success literally changed the trajectory of luxury Swiss watchmaking forever. Fast forward about 45 years, and this example, which was manufactured in a limited run, believed to be of 45 pieces, specifically for the Japanese market, is off to a very good start. The movement, the caliber 29-24, is stunning. Constructed in 216 individual parts, it comes in at 4.6 millimeters thin and with an impressive 70-hour power reserve, which you can track on the case back. Visible from the front, it has an exposed tourbillon. You've got a black polished balance bridge, which can catch the light but otherwise hides under the radar, and a free-sprung balance for durability. Not that I recommend you play baseball with this piece. The continuous rotation of the balance and escapement ensures ideal timekeeping in any position, free of gravitational pull. And take a look at the case back. The movement itself is very large, and the finishing is just beautiful. The mirrored anglage is a great, very traditional and conservative touch. A product is more than a sum of its parts. A hyper-complicated watch from one of the world's most revered brands and within a model line of great heritage isn't necessarily a great thing, but this one is. It was a thoughtful execution with the right details and Genta spirit. And while I know this sounds totally ridiculous, at $100,000, it's actually a value prop. It's entry level within its category. Holy Trinity tourbillons. The cheapest examples from Patek are nearly $200,000 and far less rare or versatile. A piece of this size and complexity is unfamiliar to my wrist. Remember, I'm a Cartier guy. Right now I'm wearing a Patek World Time, much more conservative piece. But as I sit here and admire this ultra-thin tourbillon, I've got to say that AP did a wonderful job. And to be frank, Knowing all that I know about how many times I feel AP has botched the Genta design, I'm a little surprised and totally enamored. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. If you enjoy Royal Oaks or Tourbillons, please like this video, subscribe to the Theo and Harris channel, and if you are interested in this incredible piece of horology, it is available in the watch shop, theoandharris.com, so head on over and take a look. I picked out the pieces that I feel best represent Cartier's current collection. We have the Panthère, the Santos, the Tank Louis, and the Drive.